Hello and thanks for watching the Ancients Speak. Let's learn Chinese from the wisdom of the ancients. First, let's review the Chinese word we learned in our last episode. The Chinese pronunciation of this word is qi. It means a vessel or instrument. The boxes on the four corners represent vessels, and in the middle, shàn is the Chinese word for dog. Putting them together, we get a picture of a dog watching over the vessels. In the same way, vessels are useful tools, so the extended meaning of the word qi is tools or a talented man. For example, like many words we use today, we have 机器 machine, 乐器 musical instrument, 器械 apparatus, 大器之才 an outstanding and talented man. Ancient Chinese teacher Confucius says, 工欲善其事必先利其器。工欲善其事必先利其器。工 means craftsman. 欲 means to want to. 善 here in this old saying means to do good work. 其 is a third personal pronoun meaning his. 事 here it refers to the work of the craftsman. 必 means it is necessary to do something. 先 beforehand. 利 means to sharpen or to be well prepared. 器 tools or equipment. Putting these together, teacher Confucius is saying that if a craftsman wants to do a good job, he must sharpen and prepare his tools well beforehand. 工欲善其事必先利其器。In Chinese, we have another similar saying that 磨刀不误砍柴工, which means sharpening your axe will not delay your job of cutting wood. Equipment and tools help us do our work and be more efficient. For a craftsman, he may need a sharp wood-cutting tool. For a pianist, a finely tuned piano. For a driver, a powerful and well-tuned engine. In the same way, anyone who wants to attain success in life usually needs a healthy body, a balanced schedule, a clear mind, faith and character. A healthy body gives us tools to do the work we need to do in this busy world. A balanced schedule enables us to handle various tasks in daily life and make the most of our time. A clear mind helps us to look beyond the surface and distinguish between not only right and wrong, but also between good and best. Faith and character help us make right choices, sustains us through lonesome valleys, and inspires us to keep on going in this life's journey. I didn't list all the inward tools a person might need. These tools can work together toward the successful achievement of worthy goals. They are out of question extremely important and worthy of being sharpened frequently. Yet they are easily neglected. Outward visible tools can be obtained relatively easily. However, invisible ones require deliberate and diligent training and daily maintenance. Now let's review the Chinese saying of Confucius we learned today. 工欲善其事必先利其器。工欲善其事必先利其器。工 craftsman, 欲 to want to. 善 here in this old saying means to do good work. 其 is a third personal pronoun meaning his. 事 here it refers to the work of the craftsman. 必 means it is necessary to do something. 先 beforehand. 利 means to sharpen or to be well prepared. 器 tools or equipment. Putting these together, Confucius is saying that if a craftsman wants to do a good job, he must sharpen and prepare his tools well beforehand. Again, 工欲善其事，必先利其器。器. And thanks for watching the ancients speak and learning Chinese together through their wise old sayings.